Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to contact Zelle customer service. So the first step is to simply search contact Zelle customer service on Google, and then what you're going to have to do is simply click on the first link, which is this one here. Then you're going to get redirected here, and as you can see here you're going to have different questions and answers. So basically, if you have a questions, you can look up here, and if you can find your answer right here without contacting Zelle. But if you want to contact them, simply scroll down, and here what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your first name, your last name, and your email address, your mobile number, and what do you need from them, so how they can help you, and then simply click on send message. Or if you want, you can simply call them at this number. So basically that's all you have to do in order to contact Zelle customer service. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.